Today we will be testing the Tweezer patterns indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Tweezer patterns indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 62 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 812 indicators, with 330 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 24 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Tweezer patterns indicator. Let me scroll back here a little bit, and here's an example of the signals that it gives. And so you can see that it gives us a little bit of bar coloration, and then it puts a tag on it, like the sell tag right here, or you can see that we get buy tags like that. So the setup on this, obviously, as you can probably guess, is when we pick up a sell signal, then we are going to go short. When we pick up a buy tag or a buy signal like this, then we are going to go long. And so basically this indicator is picking up a specific price action pattern. And then when it picks up that price action pattern, it then tells us whether or not it is a sell signal or it is a buy signal. And so, like I said, pretty simple. We get those tags there that we're looking for, the buy and the sell. That's going to tell us what direction we're going to go in with the signal. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a sell signal. You can see that we get that sell tag right there on that one. Let's go ahead and bump this back just a little bit here. On the replay, let's play it forward just a little bit. Make sure that we can see exactly where the sell signal forms. Okay, that's what I thought right there. So all right, so we actually don't pick up the sell signal until the close of this candle right here. And so you can see that we close that candle. It looks like we may have, yep, we gapped down just a little bit from one week to another, and immediately we make a push to the upside there, which does come up and stop us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a buy signal right here on this one, and you can see again immediately we get a push to the downside, and it looks like let's see, 165 is our stop. Let's double check here. So we make an immediate push to the downside, doesn't quite stop us out, rebounds up, tests that exact area right there as we get some overhead resistance there, and then price action rolls over and pushes down, and that one does come down and stop us out again. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we then pick up that buy signal right there. Looks like the next candle, we just kind of bounce around a little bit, goes up, comes back down, doesn't really go very far at all. And then on the following candle, we do get a pretty nice push to the downside there with this really long wick, and that wick is going to come down and hit our stop, unfortunately, because then it does make its way up, and that probably would have been enough to get us to our take profit there. Let's see, 110 is our take profit. So we definitely did not hit. It's just checking this wick right here. Make sure that we didn't hit that 110. Nope, we sure did not. But then we do make a little bit of a push to the upside there, but nonetheless, it does come down and stop us out right there. Looks like we're getting close to the end of the year, so let's go ahead and see if we can't just finish this out. All right, we get a sell signal right there, a immediate rebound and push to the upside right there, a pullback, and that one does come up and it stops us out once again. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It's free to join. Most of the channels here on the channel are free, and you are welcome to join and take part of the conversations in these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of, where our members are posting some really great advanced information and market analysis. For example, our member here, Sasquatch, is doing an awesome job trading the Forex market. He's a Forex prop trader, posting trades like this on a regular basis, where he's putting up charts where he's marked out areas of support and resistance and kind of areas of interest that he is looking at. Sometimes he will post where he is looking to take a trade, consolidation areas, stuff like that. So there's a lot of really, really great market analysis that he puts up for everyone to take advantage of. I have some of our other members here as well that are putting up their chart analysis and have marked out kind of their areas of interest and where they are looking to take trades. Here's another one of our members also posting kind of their setup and what they have going on, some profits that they have gained there. And so just all in all, some really great information here. Wonderful market analysis and chart analysis here. Highly recommend that you join us and be a part of our really awesome community of traders that we have going on. All right, back to our indicator here. So this indicator did not do very well at all. So we had the 4 trades, and out of those 4 trades, every single one of them was a loser. And so obviously that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Yeah, I mean, what can I say? Sometimes, a few of these trades just kind of fell victim to a problem with timing. I mean, they were just barely off from actually being able to grab a winning trade. And we see that sometimes where we'll kind of get pulled back, stopped out, and then price kind of takes off in the direction that we wanted it to go in. And so you can see that at least 2 of these trades, again, kind of fell victim to that. This one right here, we would have gotten to take profit. This one right here, we would have gotten to take profit. We just happened to hit those, that timing. And again, we've seen this before, that timing to where it seemed like every single time it was telling us to jump into a trade, it was right as we were getting a pretty much an immediate pullback, slight retest or correction in the market before it then continued on in the direction it was going in. And so again, we've seen that a few times with other indicators, like the timing was just slightly off and didn't work for us. So this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.